Please give it up real big for David Dobie.
I was told there was going to be a stool. All right. So I like Doug said, I'm new to doing stand-up, and I'm gonna do all of my jokes. I'm gonna do some old ones, some new ones, some classic jokes, and I'm gonna give you guys the titles of the jokes first, kind of an index beforehand to kind of see right here. I'm gonna do some of my best jokes. I'm gonna do Junk in the Trunk, one of my favorites. I'm gonna do worst date ever so far. I'm gonna do my Elon Musk joke. You got to have one of those. You got to be topical. It's actually about the Thai soccer team. He accused the rescuers of being pedophiles. He was like, "What are you guys? Why are you saving those kids? What are you saving them for? Later?" And so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that joke. I'm gonna do some crowd work. I'm gonna come out and I'm gonna be like, "What do you do for a living? And what's your name? Any relation?" Do some of that. I'm gonna do some old jokes. Le Duc. There's a French restaurant in my neighborhood. It's called Le Duc. It's French for the get the hell out of the way. What else? Whenever there's a Coen Brothers movie that comes out, I can always do a joke about that. The new Coen Brothers movie. I went to see the new. It was No Country for Old Men. I kind of stuttered a little bit. What else? I'm gonna do. So we already talked about the worst date ever. What else? I got ghosted on Halloween. That's another one of my best is my best joke. It's Amazon store. I'm going to the Amazon store tomorrow. Does anybody need everything? Thank you. All right, so what else can I do? I bought some soap that was black pepper scented. That's the worst scented soap. What am I, a baked potato? Also, I went to a fast food restaurant during Pride Month, and they changed the name. It's just called Outburger. I'm gonna do that one. I'm gonna do that one later. Some other ones. Is there any jokes that anybody wants to hear? Any popular jokes that I do from the audience? We did the crowd work. What else? You got to do topical. You gotta new topics. Burning Man is a thing. I got a new joke. The title is Bummer Man. I heard some. Gotta get some groans. I have a joke called panties that always gets a big groan every time I do that. I don't know. It's a funny word, panties. Panties. It's not when I say it. What else? It's lavender. I got a lavender scented soap. I got a whole thing about soaps and showering. That joke is called Horny Grandmother, and I'm not gonna tell it now. These are just the titles. Bear in mind, but I'll tell you the tag. The tag is Horny Grandmother. You had to be there. So that happened. It's a true story. What else? I have a whole. I need the stool because I wasn't gonna do this, but I have everything written down. We got a lot to get through here, folks. It's both sides. We're gonna with this side and this side. But, no, have anywhere. Cold showers. That's something people do. Psychopaths. bunch of weirdos. Somebody was visiting my house, and they. Oh shit! There's the light. I'm not. So I'm out of time. I'm not gonna have time to do these jokes, but I'm gonna do some impressions. We're gonna scrap the jokes. We're gonna change gears. So I'm gonna do some physical pantomimes, like charades, and name that tune. I'm gonna think of a song in my head, and you guys have to guess the song. Okay? So as an example, here's an easy one. Shout it out if you guess it. It's Jump. It's Jump by Van Halen from the 1984 album released in 1984. Jump. Okay. So here's another one. I'm gonna think of the song in my head. Just raise your hand or shout it out. That's good enough. Okay. All right, I got one more. I need a volunteer from the audience. I need a person, anybody who wants. Okay, this lovely young lady right here. Okay. So, just come up here and just stand right here next to me. See, there it is. We did it. Thank you. What's your name? Meg. Thank you, Meg. My name is David Dobie. I hope you guys are excited about Pound House season 7. Is it 6, 7? Yeah. I'm excited. Here's Doug and Brent.
Good game.
Dave Dobie, ladies and gentlemen, give it up.
Good game.